And up next, we're getting some breaking updates where the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has chaired a meeting on the cyclone-related situation in the country. The India Meteorological Department said that the depression will intensify into cyclonic storm Jawad over the central Bay of Bengal during the subsequent 24 hours. The cyclone is likely to move northwestwards, intensify and reach the North Andhra Pradesh, Odisha coasts around Saturday morning. Now, the visuals that we're putting on our screens, viewers, are that of the meeting, in fact, that the Prime Minister Narendra Modi is chairing with all the officials to take stock of the situation, to make sure that on the ground the preparations are underway to make sure that there is no mishap when this cyclonic storm approaches the Andhra Pradesh Odisha coast around Saturday morning. And there, along with the Prime Minister, are all the officials, in fact, where he is taking stock of the situation to make sure that on Saturday morning, when the cyclone likely is going to move northwestwards, intensify and reach the Andhra Pradesh Odisha coast, all the preparation is underway and the rescue operations and evacuation drills that have to be carried out by the NDRF and other officials is done as well. I am being joined by my colleague Aneri on the phone line. Aneri, what are the preparations on the ground like? Are there evacuation drills that have already been carried out in low-lying regions? What is the preparedness on the ground as of now? We will come back to Aneri on the phone line, who's tracking the details on the ground. But as of now, these visuals of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi chairing a meeting on the cyclone situation in the country, and also making sure that on the ground all the officials are deployed, NDRF teams to be deployed, evacuation drills to be carried out in low-lying regions to make sure that there is no mishap that takes place on Saturday morning when the cyclonic storm, in fact, is expected to intensify and hit the coast as well. I'm being joined by my colleague Aneri again on this broadcast. Aneri, what is the preparedness like on the ground? We are seeing the Prime Minister chairing a meeting in the national capital, but on the ground, what is the preparedness? Are there deployment of NDRF teams already done?
Well, that's right. Now, when we speak about the cyclonic storm, Andhra Pradesh has been receiving severe rainfall since last many days due to low pressure, especially which has affected the southern Andhra Pradesh. But now, when we talk about the new cyclone which has been occurring in the Bay of Bengal, we also see that the northern Andhra Pradesh and especially the Andhra Orissa coast will be affected the most due to this new cyclone. And so, Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister also held a review meeting today morning with the district officials and also other authorities in regard with the preparedness. He also asked the officials to make sure that there is complete preparedness in regard with how to tackle the cyclone situation. And also when we talk about the ground reality, well, earlier also as southern part of Andhra Pradesh has been witnessing severe rains, flood-like situation was also witnessed. But also now when we talk about the northern Andhra Pradesh, especially the districts of Visakhapatnam, Srikakulam and Vizianagaram, these three districts are on high alert. And
well, yes, Aneri, right now we see the Prime Minister chairing this review meet and, of course, taking a stock of the situation to make sure that the preparedness is to the point, to make sure that no mishap, in fact, takes place on Saturday morning when the cyclonic storm is expected to hit the coast. For the moment, Aneri, thank you.